Yo, so last week XRP reclaimed $2, and now we're in a full week into January. So the big question is it's simple. Is the move getting confirmed, or is it just another fake out? So let's break it down today, and then kind of show you guys where I feel like we're going to be going towards, and if this is going to be holding strong or is it going to be a fake out. So let's go ahead and go into our usual weekly reviews, and we can kind of break this down. So let me open some of this stuff up and then show you guys where I think we're going this week. Let's check out Bubbles, Crypto Bubbles, and see how we're doing. I like to look at the market cap for the year. Still down. XRP's not G's, 19% for market cap. Let's do month, we're green. For the week, we're overall red. For the day, we are red. And then Bitcoin for the week, we're down 2.4%. And then we've got XRP down 4.4% for the week. For the month, though, we are up 2.8%, so almost 3%. And then let's go to coin market cap. And then let's see how we're doing. So we're fear and greed neutral. And then altcoin season still far away. And let's dig into XRP. So we are sitting at 208 as of January 12th right now. It is early in the morning. And then let me pull this up and see where we're at. So 241 last week it hit. It's pretty good. That's a spike up almost at 250. I think that's where I was targeting for it to hit like a good resistance. And geez, my throat. Might have to do some cutting. But we are hitting a good $2 support right now, from what I can see, like 208. And then we'll see if we can continue pushing going up. Let's look at some of the charts. I was looking at SPY. Today was a no trade day because I don't want to get into too much of the market, but pretty choppy. Still going upward trend for the overall market. And then this applies for XRP as well too. We spiked, went above, didn't confirm it. Looks like we're going back down to test. So we've got some progress to be made. But $2 range holding. Same thing as last week. Let's see if we break above the 218. And then we'll kind of go back up to let's move this guy over. Extend this over a little bit. We had like 250 right here. 253. And then we'll see if we're going to go up and test up the 270 range. But right now, stay cautious. See if this is going to fake out or not. I see a lot of momentum towards the upside. But we are going back down to test the $2 support. And then if we break below that, then it's going to be downward to the 290. And then we'll see 180. It's probably going to be around the range where I see a lot of the next support. But if we continue on with the $2, it's likely going to go back up to the 218, and then shortly after that 250 at 241. So we'll see if it jumps up. Apologize for my throat. Seems I'm getting a little sick. That's not good. All right, let's pop into Perplexity and see what Perplexity is saying. Okay. How are we doing this week? You guys see the all the drama going on with President Trump and then Fed Jerome Powell. He's like trying to cause some noise again, putting him like criminal lawsuit or trying to sue him for some stuff that's going on with the Fed buildings. All right, so we've got XRP holding just above $2 at a tight range this week, with sentiment still cautious but supported by shrinking exchange supply and growing institutional interest. So this week, XRP sitting around 205, 210, with the daily candles around 204. And then we've got $2 support. That's a good range. Installed around 212, 215. So it's going to be sitting sideways for a bit. And then we'll probably pump it up to 240, 250. And then just watch Bitcoin as well too, and so we'll see how this is going to take it. But the broad market strategy notes suggest that the Federal Reserve is likely to pause rate cuts in early 2026. And then with the first full cut not priced in until mid-year. So that's a part of the what I think the reason why President Trump is trying to push the Fed to cut rates earlier. Jerome Powell's term's going to end in May. I think he is going to finish his term. So all of this is just trying to put in fear so that way he can cut rates earlier. We got net this week. XRP is grinding sideways, just over $2. Okay, and that's about it. Not much else to cover. It's going to be, it's the first full week into January, so it's a lot of, excitement getting into the new year. And then now we're going to see like where the price and all the news and everything that's going to take us into this new year. But let me pull this guy up. But that is all that I have for this week, and I will be focusing on some more day trading, and then I'll get those videos out to you guys as well too. I'm just trying to get the feel of things before I can actually start progressive scaling, and then just kind of show you guys what I do to prep on Sundays. But these are still going to go on for the weekly charting sessions with XRP and then the overall crypto market. But I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great week. Watch those levels.